Ahoy sailors, welcome back to part 2 of my project on how to dismantle and change the cutlass bearing. In the first episode I dismantled the cutlass bearing, and now it's time to mount the new one. And as I told you before, it's Rassy cutlass bearing. It's made out of plastic, reinforced plastic, composite, and it was really easy to take out the old one, so that's why I'm going to stick to this composite. To get the new one in, it's a really tight fit. The hull, the tube diameter is 38 millimeters, and the cutlass bearing is 38.1, so it's really tight. If it was in metal and brass, you could use a trick putting it in the fridge and cool it down, so it will decrease in size, and then it's easier to push it in. But I don't know if that's possible with composite. So instead I have this tool here. It's 1 meter of threaded rod, and then I have some bushings that I will use for pressing it in. And then when I will screw it here, it will just be pressed inside the tube. I think it's better if I show you how I'm gonna do it. Engine, gearbox, and the threaded rod that I just put in from the outside. I got this piece of aluminium that I can use instead. There you go. And the nut.